Hey, what's up? My name is Johnny Break, this is my channel and today I show you how to repair a wheel of a Hot Wheels microcar. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, for this repair you need a soldering iron with soldering tin and tweezers, a old jumper of older computer, a needle, wire cutter and electric screwdriver with this support for a needle. Okay, let's go! Okay, first step, insert the needle into the wheel. Okay, and insert the needle into the microcar. Okay. Okay. Insert the wheel into the needle. Okay. Cutting the needle. Okay. Second step, open an old jumper with tweezers. And remove the metal jumper. Sorry my friend, you need the scissors and sandpaper. Okay, cutting a old jumper, metal. Okay. Okay, this is a cut metal part, this is a needle. The next step is soldering a needle with cut metal part. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is a needle with a cut metal part soldering together. Okay, the next step, insert the needle into electric screwdriver and round the metal part with sandpaper. Okay, my friend, this is the result of a needle with a metal part together. Okay, the metal part is round and is together with a needle. Next step, assembling with the microcar. So assembling the solder, the metal part, okay, and insert the needle into the wheel, into the car. Oh, this is good for one wheel. Okay, insert the wheel into the car. Okay, the next step is solder the metal part into the wheel. Are you ready? Let's go! Are you ready? My cam is bugged. Sorry my friend, the cam is very bugged. Okay, the metal part is into the wheel. The next step is solder the metal part with a needle. Okay, my friend, the repair is complete. This is the microcar of Hot Wheels. The wheel is okay, is good. The soldering is okay. This is the strong repair. Okay, my friend, I hope you enjoyed the video. Greeting from Johnny Break. Bye!